Good morning, Colorado, and welcome to today's issue of Colorado Mortgage and Home Loan Rate Update. And today is Thursday, the 1st of September, and I just really can't believe how quickly the summer has gone. My name is Randy Flood. I'm the only certified mortgage coach in the state of Colorado. In the news today, although there are a lot of items that were released, nothing earth-shattering. So what I've done is they could either be put in either category, but I elected to put them in the rates go down category. Jobless claims were down. They were at 409,000, still above 400,000 where we've been. Productivity was also down, not by a whole lot. And the IS manufacturing was better than expected, but still very, very flat. And really the only big surprise we had was in construction spending. They were looking for it to be flat, but it actually decreased by 1.3%. As I keep on talking, in previous editions, unemployment figures tomorrow will be very, very important. Here's what's going on the mortgage-backed securities market. And, another 10 days, we've traded below the 10-day moving average. We've been a very narrow trading range. And once again, a lot of that is due to really nothing is moving us one way or the other. And the market is very undecided on what to do. And in order to break out of this, we need to go above the 10-day moving average, which is this blue line. And if we do that, that will be good. However, I think that we'll end up dropping down a little bit further before we move back up. Let me move this over so you can see. Just want to show you too that we are up a little bit in the market today, and my peers, other top producers in the mortgage industry, are split 50-50 as far as whether to lock or to float. Speaking of whether to lock or float, rate alert, they're becoming more bullish. So what they're recommending is, go on if you're closing within 2 weeks, lock, but otherwise go on and float. But once again, they're very bullish and they're getting more and more conservative. The daily rate lock advisory for today is recommending if you're closing a loan within 20 days, lock, otherwise go on and float. In summary, it was mostly bond-friendly news. There's really no surprises, and everything came in as expected, or maybe even a little bit lower. Trading range, as I mentioned, is very, very narrow. Support has been very strong at the 10-day moving average. We're either going to go up or down. Right now, the market is undecided, and technically, it's really tough to call because the market is not telling us which way it's really going to go. And typically we can forecast it a lot better. And the big moving factor is going to be Friday's unemployment figures. If they come in really high, what's going to end up happening is it's going to be friendly to bonds, thus mortgage interest rates will improve. However, if unemployment really drops a lot, money's going to go to the stock market and away from the bonds, and rates will increase. Now, the thought of the day, I don't know if you saw it on the news, but President Obama moves his big job speech, creation speech, to next Thursday, which is also the same night as the NFL kickoff when the Packers open up the season. This is not really too smart. And I have nothing against President Obama, but the reason for the move was because the GOP, they had a debate on Wednesday. They should have looked better as far as the scheduling. And once again, this is not a wise move. And really what this is talking about is instead of our politicians, the people we've elected to represent us, instead of them focus on the economy, they're more concerned about themselves and their own parties. And I've lived overseas for 9 years, and I know how the Europeans look at us. And any country that's international overseas, they're going to look at us and say, we're crazy because we're focusing on the wrong things. We have the wrong priorities. We need to focus on creating jobs, and that's the only way that our economy is going to improve. I hope you enjoyed this today's edition. If you have any questions as far as buying your Colorado home or refinancing your existing mortgage, Colorado mortgage, just go on and give me a call. I'm available 24/7. If you will, go on and click the like button below and share it, because other people need to have this vital information. And as always, only wanting the best for you. Take care.